Okay, it is fall time, and you can tell by the leaves on the trees and the leaves on the ground that it really is fall. So fall means not only are there leaves on the ground, but they're in our gutters too. So I wanted to see if I could come up with a way to easily clear these out. Normally, when I get on the house for putting up Christmas lights, I can just take a leaf blower and blow all of the leaves out of the gutters really easily. But I would love to also be able to do this without getting on the roof. And to see if I can make that work, I have this kit right here. And this is supposedly going to attach to my leaf blower, and then I should be able to point my leaf blower up into the gutters and simply blow those out. And it says it's universal. I got kind of a smaller leaf blower here, so we're going to see how universal that actually is. Okay, I'm going to have to remember how to take this thing off, and I'm not sure I remember how to do that. Take that off easy. This one, I don't even know if I can take it off. Looks like I can. Okay, now that we got the tip off of here, and I think this is as broken down as this comes, we're going to see if we can open up our box and see if we got anything that will fit our little leaf blower. We may need to make some modifications to make this work. So let me see if I can tighten this up the way it wants me to do it. The ratchet system here is nice. I can just make it tighter and tighter. Okay, that looks like it's about as tight as it's going to get, and it feels pretty tight. There we go, that's on. And I'm not even going to use all of these, I don't think. I don't think that'll be necessary. All right, let's go see if this works. Definitely air coming out here. It's not as powerful as it normally is. Half the effectiveness seems to be when you use the tool as a hook to push leaves that are physically stuck in the gutter canal out and allow them to be blown away. So there it was. Wasn't super impressed, but it's not a total dud. Let me see how easy it is to unhook this thing, because I definitely don't want to keep it on like this forever. Okay, so we got like this. Oh, press down on them. Okay, so you don't pinch them in, you press down. And then we can loosen that up. Alright, that's simple once you know how to do it, but it's not really intuitive. And for whatever reason, it is just so much more powerful attached like this. So just leaves going all over the place, and you can see the battery has been drained a bit since it was blowing in there. Now this isn't a super powerful leaf blower to begin with. Like, it's hard to do it with the grass. It's really good for hardscapes like this where you can just blow it and it's a solid ground and smooth to blow it against driveways as well. So maybe if you had a more powerful one, it would be a little bit better. But I actually found the physical hook shape was good for lifting stuff out without getting on the ladder. When it was getting really clogged, and some of the parts like right behind here, I don't know that this could do anything here. I just gave up. I'm not going to try to pull all these out. Maybe if I could use the hook a little bit and I could really work it out, I could get some progress. But I am going to have to get on the roof at some point for the Christmas lights. But I was hoping that I could use this to prevent subsequent trips on the roof. And I think that I can. I think this will be good enough that once in the year when I put the Christmas lights, I can blow everything out all the way around. And for maintenance, maybe once or twice in the fall, I can use this to get the light load out. So I think it's going to work out okay. I'm not super impressed, but it can work. My suggestion would be, if you can get a good price on this or something like this, go ahead and get it. I found this on a discount online site. I think I paid $25 total for it to be shipped and everything. And I'm not disappointed about that. If I had to pay $50 for it to be shipped, I might be a little disappointed, but for $25, I think I'm getting what I'm paying for. And I did want to show a comparison of how the leaf blower works when it is directly pointed into the gutters. And you can see it's a lot easier to get things out. There are some times where I just have to reach down and pull things out by hand because it's too clogged and it's too tight, like in this corner spot. The attachment didn't work either, and even directly blowing on the leaf blower didn't get this section out. But typically, blowing the leaf blower directly into the gutters without the special attachment works great. Thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description below to this product, but check for deals. I sold this product on Woo.com for under $30 in the past. There may also be better versions of similar products with better ratings.